Green curry.
Yeah, green curry.
Coconuts.
Yeah, coconut. Yeah.
Green curry paste.
Yeah.
And then chili. And then chicken or beef. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or meat. Or
Yeah.
pork is fine.
Pork and
Nakakaano nga lang.
yeah.
Gawa nung amoy nung curry. Maano, parang yung sili ba? Nanunuot sa ilong. Chicken. And then add some
Some a little bit
water.
soup.